In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Dragon's Dogma 2 not launching. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you clear and easy to follow instructions if you are having trouble getting Dragon's Dogma 2 to launch on your PC. Usually, if you can't even get to the home screen of the game, then there could be a problem with your installation. So I'm going to propose the safest methods to fix this. So, of course, I'm going to quit out of the game to start demonstrating this process, and assuming that you own the game on Steam, what you can try first is right-clicking the game on your library, go over to Properties, and this should open up the properties for Dragon's Dogma 2. Inside of the properties for the game, what you have to do is go over to Installed Files and now verify the integrity of the game files. What this is going to do is scan all the files that were installed in your computer by Dragon's Dogma 2. If it detects that any of them are missing or corrupted, they will be reacquired. So this is a very simple way of detecting any files that need to be re-downloaded. So simply click this button and wait for the process to be done. If any of the files were indeed missing, you should now be able to open the game and start compiling the shaders, which is a process that's going to take a while. So the first time you successfully get Dragon's Dogma 2 to run, you will have to wait a while. Keep that in mind. Now, if it still doesn't work, what I would recommend before trying to reinstall the game is to go over to a web browser, and in here you will be able to download the latest graphics drivers available for your GPU. So, all that you have to do to determine which graphics card you have is to right-click the Windows icon, go over to Device Manager, and in here you can find the display adapters. Look for your specific model of GPU. So mine is an AMD Radeon RX 7900 XTX. So I have to go over to the AMD website, choose the 7000 series, 7900, and then XTX, and submit to get the drivers. Of course, if you have an NVIDIA one, go over to their website instead, choose the series accordingly, the model, and then download the drivers. It is extremely simple, and making sure that these graphics drivers are the most up-to-date drivers available will grant you success when playing any games, especially during day 1 launch. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Dragon's Dogma 2 not launching. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.